Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got these Govee RGBIC permanent outdoor lights, and we're gonna give these things a try. We're gonna open them up so you guys can see what they all look like as I see what it looks like. So let's see, how do we open this thing? Here's the open tab on the bottom. And I guess it opens from the bottom. I'll aim you guys down a bit so you can see what I'm doing. So, I guess it goes this way. And this is what it looks like. So we have our user manual here. We have the installation for the app, quick start guide, and then it comes with these 3 boxes in here, or whatever this is, I don't know. CD boxes. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Now this box is empty. So let's open up. We'll open up, start with this one. Let's see what's in this box. So here we go, box empty. So this one here has, it looks like connectors to connect up the lights. We have a sticker, I guess, to do a manual turn on, turn off, and then I'll twist it up here. But I guess it's gonna be the connection to the first set of lights and then the plug. So it's the adapter for it. Okay, so we have that, and then we have some, looks like these are clips, little wire clips. I guess so if we're going up and down the wall, we can clip it to the wall. So let's see what we got. So here we go. So here we have a bunch of the lights. And I dropped it. And then we have our little stickers, our 3M stickers. We got a bunch of stickers and a bunch more little clips and stuff. So if we want to screw things in, I guess we can screw them in or clip them in. Let's see what's in this box. It looks like it's just a second set of the same thing. Yeah, second set of the same thing. I'm gonna leave these in here for the moment. So let's gotta plug this thing in and give this thing a try and just see what happens if we just try it manually, what happens. So I'm plugging it in. So now we should have some power. And let's see, what do we got here? We have 3 separate strips of lights. So looks like they're all Velcroed together somehow. So there, 1, 2, 3. So each set, I guess, has its own start and end and Velcroed up. Okay, that one's open now. And I think when I read it, each set was 16 feet maybe. But let's see. Okay, so here we go. So from the power, it's the wrong side. I need the other end. Oh, it looks like it comes with the 3M sticky tape already on it. It looks nice. It comes with a little pull tab so we can tape it on nice and easy. So let's plug this in, see what happens. It's got the 3-prong plug. We already have light. How cool is that? So we have some light. I don't know if you guys can see all these lights. So we have a bunch of lights on this. They're pretty bright. It's shining in my eyes. I do not like it. I like it when it shines the other way. So let's see what happens when I push the button. Turns off. And then here's on. So I guess this button is just going to be the on-off. I guess to do some of the chasing and effects, we're going to have to connect it up on the app. So I'll be back 1 second. I'm going to go get my iPad.